guys, here's my pet rat Eris. And look. Yes, in the woods. Yep. My pet rat Eris. And she's black and white like a cow. Yep. She likes to look a lot sometimes. Woo! Come on, bro, come here. Come here, what are you doing? See? Say hi, Eris. Yep. She's my little rat girl. Sometimes she likes to look a lot. Did you see that tongue, y'all? You see that tongue? Look at her. She likes to lick a lot. Look at her. She's like a licking. That's a catch of dogs do, but sometimes dogs look like more better. So, yep. See how she's black. See how she's black and white on her tail. You know what she did to her tail? She bit it. I don't know why she does that. She thinks it's a worm. Look at her tail though. Look at. Who's my little granny girl? See? Little Eris, little Eris. I've been feeding her, giving her some water. Her cage is downstairs. She used to jump a lot. Did you see her face, y'all? Did you see her face? Cutie, cutie. Look, she's gonna come on. Woo, girl. Woo. Woo. Where'd you go? Oh. That pat little Eris. Ah, how she likes that. See, sexy pet. She likes to sniff around and look at stuff like birds. Like, where am I? I'm glad she doesn't bite me. I used to have guinea pigs once, but they died. But I mean, right inside, so her name Eris. Little girl. I probably think she's a boy, but she's a girl. So, oh my God, Eris is close to the couch. Oh my God. Yep, she's my little girl. Little girl. You guys see her? You know what my papa calls her? Little beady eyes. She thinks she's so cute because she has some beady eyes. So, yep, my little rat. Say hey, Eris. Where you going? Look at me. Hey. Looky, girl. She does look like a lot. She's like, I'm a licker. She likes to lick my hand. That's a dog, you know. She like, you know, hey, dogs lick you a lot. They lick you a lot. That's what my rat does too. My rat gives me a lot of kisses. Ooh, my little girl. She licks me a lot on my hand, and then she licks me on my cheek. She gives me kisses. And my nan thinks, ew, she gives me kisses, gross. What? She misses me sometimes. She kind of misses me a lot. Ain't that right, my little girl? Sexy pet. So she's like, ooh, this makes me feel good. Sometimes she moves around too much. See? She's looking at my hand right now. I can feel that she's looking at my hand. Ew. Sometimes she likes to stand up and try and sniff the world, like trying to sniff it. I don't know why she doesn't run. I don't know why she doesn't have a hamster with. She never runs on at all. She just likes to just lays in her little cage and just lays in bed. So, yep. Her tail is like, it's so weird, like a toe soft. It's like a snakeskin thing, you know. Okay. She's sniffing for something. She's sniffing. What are you sniffing, girl? She's like, where am I? My little rat. I'm Eris, the cool rat. So, yep. My little girl. Eris. What a cutie. So, yep. I've been feeding her. Every day. But she's gonna run. Well, she eats and she drinks her water. I think she's making a nest in her cage though. I'm like, what are you doing? Making a bed in your bed? Yep. Sometimes she likes herself like a cat does it. It's kind of funny. Look. She's just looking at me right now. Ooh, that feels weird. Look at her. Did you see the tongue of her? Did you see she was looking at me? Look. Oh, not cute. She's looking. Oh, that's cute. Eris. Silly girl. Silly little girl. Look. You guys see her tongue? She was looking at me right now. She was giving me some kisses. Who's my cute little rat girl? And sometimes my sister comes over and plays with her, and I play with her. She's like, that's our rat. Well, it's just my rat, so. She's kind of black and white cow, though. I mean, like, she's got some black fur and white fur all over her. Hey, girl. Where you going? Look, she's got some claws on her and stuff like that, you know. Sometimes she's trying to, she's trying to climb on me. Her claws kind of hurt. Ah, what do you think you're doing? Where are you going? Where are you? See, she's on me right now. Girl, what are you doing? Eris, what are you doing? She was saying hi to people, so hi. Then I'm gonna put, ow. Her claws kind of hurt. I didn't cut his nails to hers. I kept getting scratches from her. Kind of hurt. Oh, man, that, ooh, let me see this. Watch my, and then she didn't lick my arm. Girl, she was trying to jump on me. Jumper. I like what's up. You little rat. So I hope you guys have been taking care of your rats. You guys ever have any pets? And yep, my name is Eris. She's my little girl. It'd be cool to have her, give her a hamster so I could put her around. People are like, what the heck? I think it was just rolling around. Well, that's what game players do in the hamster balls. So yeah. So this my little girl, little rat. Rat. Little Eris. Yep. This my little girl. Woo! See, she's trying to jump on me. She wants to be picked up. Well, if you guys have a pet rat out there, then make sure you to take care of it and stuff. So I named my rat named Eris because she's black and white. My mom got her for me to have a pet. So, yep. Say hey, Eris. She was sniffing you guys out. She said, yo, guy, we're doing. Dude, get off my phone. What are you doing? She's just climbing my phone for no reason. Say hey, Eris. Say hey. Or not. She's trying to run for race. She's trying to run somewhere. Hey, you're supposed to say hi, girl. She don't want to say hi to people. I don't know why. Dude, get off the phone. Bye.